Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Jimmy Choo Odette 100 in Ballet Pink Mix. Now this is the third video in my designer shoe unboxing series. If you haven't seen the others, go and check them out. And this is the final pair of Jimmy Choos that I'm going to be unboxing in this little mini series. I'm very excited about this unboxing. I'm sure you are as well, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. As we do, always get the ribbon, take that off. And of course, the stunning Jimmy Choo box. It's so nice. I want it as like a wallpaper or something. And then of course, again, we've got the little booklet and the one dust bag. Each layer of this box is protected with not only tissue, but is it like styrofoam? When you see the shoes, you will know why. Again, on the actual shoes, we're seeing a lot of protection. You can hardly see the shoe actually because it's that protected with all the stuff. So I'm just going to take this out of this. I don't want you to listen to all the rustling, so I'll just speed it up. This is what it comes out looking like. Sneak peeks peeking through there. Take its coat off. Take its shoes off. It's worth the wait. Ah! So exciting. Okay. I'm trying to hide them for as long as possible until I can bring them out and be like, oh. As you can tell, I'm very excited. Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready. Okay. It's just a moment of silence. A moment of silence is needed for these shoes because they have killed me. I am dead. This pair of shoes is the most beautiful pair of shoes that I have ever seen in my whole entire life. And I love shoes. I love a lot of different shoes. I'm obsessed with shoes. I've seen a lot of shoes, but I've never seen anything like this. And let me tell you, my voice is quivering. I'm that shook. Let me tell you, when I first unboxed these, because I unboxed them first to just check that everything was okay with them, that they were the right shoes, because what a nightmare it would have been for me to sit down and unbox these shoes and then be the wrong ones. Nightmare. So I just did a quick once over check, and honestly, I took one out of the box and it had the tissue paper around it. I couldn't see anything of it apart from a few of the diamantes on the heel, and I literally was gobsmacked at only that bit. I just cannot explain to you how stunning these shoes are. I love them so much. I love them. I want to get married in these shoes. I want to get buried in these shoes. As long as I'm in these shoes, everything will be okay. You need to see these in person to really, really appreciate how beautiful they are. Obviously, they look absolutely gorgeous in pictures and in videos. They look amazing, but in real life they look even more amazing. I cannot explain to you. Oh my goodness, I just absolutely love them. They just make me smile. How sad. So moving on to some more specifics rather than me just gushing over these shoes. As you can see, they are incredibly detailed, and you can see exactly why they were protected so much with all of that padding, with all of that tissue. It's because of the incredible diamantes that are all over this shoe. And if you can see, all of the diamonds are different shapes, sizes, finishes. It's incredible. If you can see on the heel there's probably most of the different diamantes on there, but there's square ones, circular ones, like this shape. I can't think of what it is. It's took the words out of me. There's ones that even look like they're about to fall off. I'm not even joking, but they're not falling off. They're these incredibly delicate glass diamonds, which they're not in their own casing, they're just loose, which makes it look like they're about to fall off, but they've actually been sewn on their side, so they literally look like they're about to fall off. When I first put them on, as you can see, they're on the strap there as well. When I first put them on, I was looking at that and I was thinking, oh my goodness, that one's about to fall off. But then I actually felt it, and it's not about to fall off. It is sewn on there. And when I showed my mum them as well, she was like, wait, let me see that one. And then she saw it and she was like, oh my goodness, I thought that was about to fall off. And I was like, trust me, I've been there, we're safe. But that is the thing about them, they are all, hopefully, I mean, I haven't worn them anywhere, but just feeling them, they feel as though they are really well sewn on, they're secure. I mean, I wouldn't be going kicking a football in them or anything like that anyway. Just in case, I'd be very, very delicate and careful with these anyway, just because of the sheer amount of diamantes and embellishment that is on here. But you can tell that they're not flimsy, they're not just stuck on with like 2 bits of thread. They are really well sewn on there, and I'm glad. Also, if you can see around the shoe, there is this kind of, it's like a line of thread which has been sewn all over the shoe, and as well as the solid material of the shoe, that again just adds this beautiful detail that you only notice really when you're this close to it, when you see it in real life, is that not only is it absolutely stunning just looking at it, when you look closer you see how much detail is in this shoe, all the different little touches that are in there, and it's just gorgeous. So on the back we've got this kind of solid ballet pink material, and then as you go to the actual toe foot bit of the shoe, this bit is sheer. I don't know if you can see that, it's like semi sheer, and then the toe bit is the same as the back. It's got like a toe, kind of like a toe cap type thing, but you can't really see the transition because it's got this beautiful feather toe detail with this Cinderella embellished group on the toe. It's like a cluster of big jewels and diamonds and crystals. It's just stunning. Everything about this shoe is stunning. You're going to hear me say that 70,000 times in this video, but and with the straps, again, this detail, it's not just a court shoe. These straps just add even more detail and beauty to this shoe. I'm just gushing all over this shoe, but I love it. As you can see, it's got a sort of ankle strap up here, and then it kind of goes into a crossover on the front of your foot, and that just adds something else to it. I think if these straps weren't on this shoe, I think it would still look absolutely stunning. It would still look gorgeous, but I think those straps make it as wow as it is, and that's because the embellishment continues across all of the straps, and I just think it's just wow. Like, this is a wow shoe. Now, if you've seen my first video, you'll see that I said something about the thin ankle strap, that it felt a bit tight and it felt a bit constricting, and I was on the last hole. However, this is not like that at all. I think maybe because this strap is fully leather rather than a fabric, it gives it a bit of give. It has a bit of, not stretch because it's not stretchy, but it just has a bit of give. And also I think maybe this strap might just be wider anyway. This doesn't feel tight, and I think I wear the second hole or the third hole in, so I've definitely got some room to expand if I wanted to, but it feels nice and secure, but it doesn't feel tight, it doesn't feel compressing. It's just perfect. And I don't know if you can see, but on the strap there, even the clasp is detailed. It's not just a solid silver clasp, it's got diamantes on the clasp. In terms of comfort, the heel height for me is perfect. It's got that look where it looks super high, but when you've got it on, it doesn't feel that high. It's like a perfect, comfortable height. A bit like the Jimmy Choo Bings that I showed in my last video. It's kind of got that kind of heel height. I think they might be similar, but it feels comfortable, and because of the straps your foot feels secure. It just feels comfortable. It feels beautifully snug, and again, even though it's a pointed toe, it is not pinching your toes, it's not squeezing them at all. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful shoe to look at, and it's a beautiful shoe to wear. I know that when I wear these, I am going to be staring at my feet all the time. So enough gushing about these shoes. As you can tell, I absolutely love them. I love everything about them. They are comfortable, they are secure, they make your feet look so elegant, they're so classy, they're so dainty, they're so feminine, they're so detailed. I absolutely love them. I can't wait to wear them. I am in love. The best shoes I've ever seen in my life, and I'm absolutely over the moon to be holding these babies. It's not even real, it's so surreal. I love them so much. So that was my unboxing of the Jimmy Choo Odette 100 in Ballet Pink Mix. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of them down below, because they might not be everybody's cup of tea, but they sure are mine. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you're not subscribed already, subscribe so that you can keep up to date with all of my other unboxing videos that I've got coming, and the rest of my videos as well. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!